and I graduated from DTU in 2014 batch. I did bachelor's in electronics and communication. Thereafter, I got campus placed in the Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. I worked as research associate in broadcasting division. So my main role was quantitative and qualitative analysis of the regulatory issues related to the broadcasting and cable services sector. After that, I joined my father's business, which is into printing and packaging. Initially I learned various aspects of business, what all fields are there and how it is managed. And then I gradually took the role of production manager. I looked after the production process. We are into printing, mainly into labels and mono cartons. So the whole production process and inventory management. And I gave CAT in 2017. I joined PDP test series for that and test gym as well. So the whole journey has been really informative. The mentors are very supportive. The test gym, initially I cleared my basics from the modules of the CL. And then I went on to test gym to understand and complete the basics that I had. And I made sure that I gave a mock test on time and did the proper analysis like suggested by the CL gurus. The mock test analysis, the paper that they give, the video analysis of the mock test were really helpful because it gave the nuances of how that 3 hours would go. So I feel that CL has been very helpful for that. And another important point which I want to share from my journey was then when I started, I prepared for, first time I gave CAT in 2014 and I did not know anything about CAT preparation, and the percentile that I got was 66 percentile. And after preparing with CL, this time I scored 99.17 percentile and I got calls from all the top B schools. And so first important thing is that right mentorship is important, which I got from CL. And then the whole strategy, you need to strategize the paper, how we need to attempt the paper. And so the video analysis was really helpful and keeping tracks of your progress for over the months that you prepare. And second important thing is confidence, which I initially lacked. So after interaction with, I remember there was an interaction session with GP sir. So he told me that I was very confused that is my preparation going right in the right direction or not? Are my strategies right or not? So that even though I was scoring good in the mocks, but I was still not confident. So that interaction session with GP sir was really helpful. And after CAT, I enrolled in PDP Personalized, and I still had lots of doubt about myself and my resume, but it was GP sir's confidence in me that yes, you will do it, that I could make it through. Even after every interview, I was so nervous, I was so scared, all the interviews, but it was GP sir and other mentors which I gave mock interviews with, who instilled that confidence in me that yes, you are going in the right track and you just keep on working hard. And here I am, I've converted, I'm Calcutta, and thanks to CL for that. So it was a very interesting interview. It was a stress interview. I was third in the panelists and there were 3 panelists. So I could see the faces of the other students who were interviewed before me. And I went there, I had enough mock preparations from CL, so I was prepared for that. And then they asked me questions about business since I am working with my father, so they asked me questions about business. Mostly it revolved around the business and how I can do bargaining, what clients would I choose, and creating value for that. First interaction itself was the changing moment for me. So like the first interaction, my mentor was GP sir. So in the first interaction I was very nervous for the interviews, and he told me that my background is good enough and that I can do it, and he helped me prepare each and every point of the interview very well. First thing is that you should know what you are doing. It isn't just MBA is just another exam. It's a whole journey. In PDP sessions, we were taught to find out what path we want to take in our life. It's not only about MBA, it is much more than MBA, it's your career path. So first thing is be informed about the career choices that you are taking, and I feel that Interaction with CL mentors has helped me a lot in finding out and in sorting out my career path.